Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In the edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's now time for the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. Number 9777. 977. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 11 printed digits. Could be the hard one, could be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 11. And the publisher has indicated this with the 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more to solve this puzzle. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Our boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here, one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? I see here one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We don't know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. How about triple box? I see here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 3 could be everywhere. Here, another triple box. Insufficient information right now, cannot fill any numbers. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? I see only one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Okay. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So it should be a 1. If I place 2 here, I cannot fit any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. And this box is connected with that box. So 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Alright. More T-shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then overlook this T shape. Well. We go back to the T shape, the first shape. Well, this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. The following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another 1. This box has the same number as that box. The following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2 of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape, the S or the Z construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S. And when you flip this shape, you will get the Z. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3 is connected with that box. Should we show a 3? 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that these two boxes can be 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this triple box supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, those two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 2 numbers left now in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah, will be difficult. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Well, this box gave me 2. This box gave me a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5 is connected with that box. So we saw 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 here. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 1 box left now in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box. Wait, this box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. It's connected with that box, so 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. If it places a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this quarter box should be here. 1 box left now in this quarter box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Now we have a double 4 here. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, these 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be... No. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 1. We already have a 1 here. Cannot believe this. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 here. I think this box should be a 5. Because can be 1. Can be 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Yes. Should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, give me a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. Then these two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2. And 3, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be in, a 3 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left the 2 is supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 3 and 4. We already have a 3 here, so it can be 3 and more. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this T-shape area for number 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be 2, this box can be 5, so the 2 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this S construction supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3 is connected with that box, so 1 or a 3. Then these 3 boxes around the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Wow. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, so 1 digit left in this area for number 1. This box cannot be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there, so 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this triple box should be a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Now I need to think. This box can be 1, can be 3, can be 4. So 2 numbers left, 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5, okay. Well. 1 and a 3. Come on. This box, we have a double 1 here, double 3 here. That means that this box should be 4 or a 5, not a 1. Yeah. That means these 3 boxes can be a 1. So that box should be a 1. Yeah. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 box left in this S construction for number 3. Well, and I need a 3 here in this area. Cannot be here, cannot be there, so 3 should be here or there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 2. This box can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes over with a 3. We have a 3 now. So this can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. And the final number 5 here. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, not faster than 15. Can it be 4? Can it be 3? Should be at 2 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.